This video is not about solar. This video is about incredible financial investment opportunity that's available, prudent financial management, curtailing your energy cost, and yes, it is based on a solar system. More accurately, a battery energy storage system with solar, with many different aspects that we can capitalize on and offer an incredible investment. So allow us some 30 minutes of your time. Watch these videos and get a picture of what's available to you. There is a degree of urgency. SARS, the government is offering an incentive that expires end of February next year. If you can bring your system into production before the end of February next year, then you earn 125% incentive on your taxable income. That's only available until the end of February next year. So the financial investment we are talking about is unheard of. It offers an internal rate of return of no less than 50%. If you're familiar with the term, you'll realize that is really an incredible investment. This is not smoke and mirrors. We go through into quite a bit of detail. We show you all the different tables. We show you how we calculate. We show you there's an operating cost. There's degradation of the solar panels. We bring all this into the consideration. We work with levelized cost of energy, not numbers that we grab out of thin air. We calculate every number and we apply what we call solar intelligence to offer you an opportunity to make a really, really good investment. And as I mentioned, there's unfortunately a timeline to it. So take 30 minutes of your time, watch these videos, and we hope to hear from you. We love the